This is problem 2 about unit rate. A student takes 25 minutes to solve 10 math problems in class. If the student solves similar problems at the same rate, how many minutes will it take the student to solve 12 math problems? So when I look at this, I do realize it's unit rate, but I also realize it's asking me to make a prediction. So I can use proportions to help answer this problem involving unit rate. In the first case, I ended up with a ratio of 25 to 10. I could use this to find what the unit rate is and multiply it by 12. But instead, I'm going to write down that it took 25 minutes to complete 10 problems. Then I'm going to set it up as a proportion, where 25 minutes for 10 problems is equal to 12 problems being completed, and I don't know how many minutes, but I'm going to figure that out. I'm going to do this by cross multiplying. So 25 times 12 is equal to 10 times x. Now, when I end up with this, I need to figure out what 25 times 12 is. So I'm going to come up here, multiply 25 times 12. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. Hold my place. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 1 is 2. I add them together and end up with 300. So now I know 12 times 25 is 300, and that's equal to 10x. I divide both sides by 10. My 10's cross out, my x drops down, and since I'm looking here, I can remember the power of 10. So they share these zeros, so I'm going to cross out the 1 0 that they share. That leaves me with the problem of 30 divided by 1. Well, 30 divided by 1 I can do in my head. 30 divided by 1 is 30. So Sharon would be able to complete, this student would be able to complete 30 problems it would take them 30 minutes, because we're talking about minutes, in order to complete the 12 problems. So we're going to make sure that we bubble in correctly, that we erase any stray or accidental marks that we made. And there you have it.